God, may He be exalted, said to me, "Do you know who you are?" I replied, "Yes, I am the non-being which is manifested by your manifestation. I am the darkness which your light illuminates." Then he said to me, "Since you know this, persevere firmly in this knowledge and be careful not to claim that which does not belong to you, for the deposit must be returned to its owner and the loan must be paid back. The name contingent being has always belonged to you and always will belong to you." He said to me again, "Do you know who you are?" I replied, "Yes, I am in reality God, but metaphorically and in relation to the way I am creature. I am a contingent being with respect to my form, but I cannot not be the necessary being. It is the divine name al-Haq which belongs to me by original right. The name of creature is only a borrowed name and a formula of differentiation." He said to me, "Veil this symbol, and let the wall fall down and bury this treasure in order that only he will be able to extract it who has put his soul through severe trials and looked his death in the face." Then God, may He be exalted, said to me, "What are you?" I replied, "I am two things, according to two different relations. With respect to you, I am the eternal, forever and ever. I am the necessary being who epiphanizes himself. My necessity proceeds from the necessity of your essence, and my eternity from the eternity of your knowledge and your attributes. With respect to me, I am pure non-being, who has never breathed the perfume of existence, the adventitious being who remains non-existence in its adventitiousness. I only possess being so long as I am present with you and for you. Left to myself and absent from you, I am one who is not, even while He is." Then he said to me, "And who am I?" I replied, "You are the being, necessary through yourself, alone perfect in its essence and its attributes. Better yet, you transcend by the perfection of your essence the perfection of your attributes. You are the perfect in every state, the transcendent with respect to everything which can come to the mind." He replied to me, "You do not know me." I said to him without fear of being disrespectful, "You are He in whose likeness all contingent creatures are. You are Lord and the servant, the near and the far. You are the one and the multiple, the sublime and the lowly, the rich and the poor, the worshipper and the worshipped, the contemplator and the contemplated. In you are joined the contraries and the opposites. For you are the apparent and the hidden, the voyager and the sedentary. He who sows and he who cultivates. You are he who plays, who tricks, and who deceives. You are the supreme reality, and I am the supreme reality. You are creature, and I am creature. You are neither this nor that, and I am neither this nor that." He said to me, "That is enough, you know me. Hide me from those who know me not, for lordship has a secret, and if it were revealed, lordship would be annihilated. And servitude also has a secret, and if it were revealed, servitude would be annihilated. Praise us for what we have taught you about ourselves, for you cannot know us by any other than us. Nothing leads to us except ourselves."